Python tuples. Tuples are ordered collection of data items. They store multiple items in a single variable. Tuple items are separated by commas and enclosed within round brackets. Tuples are unchangeable, meaning we can not alter them after creation. Example 1. Tuple 1 is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. Tuple 2 is equal to red, green, blue. Print tuple 1. Print tuple 2. Output 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. Red, green, blue. Example 2. Details is equal to Abhijit 18, Fipsit 9.8. Print details. Output Abhijit 18, Fipsit 9.8. Tuple indexes. Each item element in a tuple has its own unique index. This index can be used to access any particular item from the tuple. The first item has index 0, second item has index 1, third item has index 2, and so on. Example. Country is equal to Spain, Italy, India, comma. Hash 0, 1, 2. Accessing tuple items. I-positive indexing. As we have seen that tuple items have index, as such we can access items using these indexes. Example. Country is equal to Spain, Italy, India, comma. Print country 0. Print country 1. Print country 2. Output Spain, Italy, India. 2. Negative indexing. Similar to positive indexing, negative indexing is also used to access items, but from the end of the tuple. The last item has index -1, second last item has index -2, third last item has index -3, and so on. Example. Country is equal to Spain, Italy, India, England, Germany. Print country -1, hash similar to print country, lay country 1. Print country -3. Print country -4. Output Germany, India, Italy. 3. Check for item. We can check if a given item is present in the tuple. This is done using the in keyword. Example 1. Country is equal to Spain, Italy, India, England, Germany. If Germany in country. Print Germany is present. Else. Print Germany is absent. Output Germany is present. Example 2. Country is equal to Spain, Italy, India, England, Germany. If Russia in country. Print Russia is present. Else. Print Russia is absent. Output Russia is absent. 4. Range of index. You can print a range of tuple items by specifying where do you want to start, where do you want to end, and if you want to skip elements in between the range. Syntax. Tuple start, end, jump index. Note: jump index is optional. We will see this in given examples. Example: printing elements within a particular range. Animals is equal to cat, dog, bat, mouse, pig, horse, donkey, goat, cow. Print animals 3, 7, hash using positive indexes. Print animals 7, 2, hash using negative indexes. Output mouse, pig, horse, donkey. Bat, mouse, pig, horse, donkey. Here, we provide index of the element from where we want to start and the index of the element till which we want to print the values. Note, the element of the end index provided will not be included.